Mongodb replace _1 with upsert equals true throws duplicate key error. I have read that when I use pymongo's upsert and when I don't supply the _id, the upsert will try to generate a new id, and that will cause the operation to fail. Is this true? And how do I upsert without using the _id? Here is my replace _1 using pymongo. I have created a compound index and set to unique using my search criteria, so that in the collection what I search will always be unique if it exists. And with replace _1 I'm getting this error. Here is my query for find with the same filter and it returns one document. I'm stuck on not knowing what to try and how to fix this. The complete error message.
I have found the problem. In this line of code, my filter is wrong. Where asset_id should have been asset_id, and datatum_id should be datatum_id. Thus no match is found but when inserting a duplicate key error raised.
To answer your first question, if you don't provide _i.d field value for upsert equals true, MongoDB will generate a new ID. And the reason why you are getting the duplicate key error is, you haven't used the period field in your filter condition.
You are telling MongoDB to replace one document. Your filter is most likely returning multiple documents. Use a find with the same filter and figure out a filter that will always return one document. In most cases just using init should be enough to return one document so long as your schema is laid out correctly.
If you want to simulate, puoi considerare su scrivini.